Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, it's just going to be an updated video on how my dropshipping journey is going. And really, since the last time I posted that first video, it's really just been a waiting game for certain documents that I'm waiting on. Now last time I already mentioned that I created the LLC, and then from there I was just waiting on the EIN number to arrive. And then after that I was waiting for the reseller certificate to arrive as well. And both of those forms have arrived already. So now at this point, I'm just waiting on my business debit card to arrive. So once that arrives, which hopefully will be by the time I upload this video, I can begin contacting wholesale suppliers, distributors, manufacturers, whatever it may be, and we can finally get this boat moving, alright? But until then guys, I'm just going to keep you guys updated and show you that anything is possible guys, okay? That in today's society, you can start any type of business that you really want to, as long as you can focus on it, alright? So again, hopefully by the next time I upload the next video, maybe we sold an item by then and hopefully started making some money. But anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys have a great day and I'll keep you guys posted, alright? Later.